In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI-powered slides in Claude with Gamma. Now, the first thing you have to do is connect Gamma to Claude. So go to the top left inside Claude and click on Customize, then click on Connect Your Apps. From here, you're going to have to search for Gamma, just like this, and you want to click on this plus button to connect. It's going to redirect you to Gamma, and this is where you basically have to sign in with your account. Now, you can use email or password, or Google, of course. I used Google to actually sign up for my account, so that's why I'm going to use it here again. And then you have to wait for a few seconds for this connection to actually establish, and if you used Google, it's going to question, of course, which account you want to use. Now, here I'm going to use my main account, and then whenever that's done loading, it's going to take you to the authorization page where you basically have to consent. So I'm just going to select like this. What will this allow Claude to do? I'm okay with that. I'm going to click on allow. And then you have to wait for Claude to load again. As you can see, there we go, it's loaded. It says connected to Gamma. I can now go to connectors to check my connection. And as you can see, Gamma is working perfectly. It's over here. And I can go ahead and basically just approve different things. Like I'm going to do always allow over here. So I can give it all the tools it needs to actually function. And in the top right here, I can view details and I can see how I can interact. Okay, so it can generate, it can get themes, it can get folders, etc. So let's now try this out. I'm going to go to a chat here. I'm going to open up a new chat and I'm going to tell it to make a 2-slide presentation about fitness using Gamma, okay? Style can be whatever. Okay, of course, you could be much more concise. You could go ahead and tell it like a lot of things the way you want them to be. I just want to actually make this very quickly so we can see kind of how this looks. And of course, as you can see, Claude is going to respond. It says it's going to go with the electric theme. It's an energetic, bold, and vibrant with dark gradients, perfect for a fitness topic. Of course, you could go and like make a whole essay over here telling it however you want it to look, and it's going to do exactly that directly from within Claude. Now here it says this should only take a minute or two, and here it's going to say that it's being created. You just simply have to wait for this to finish, so I'll jump over to when it's done. And there we go. As you can see, my PowerPoint is actually already done here. It's a 2-slide presentation exactly as I requested, and I can go ahead and essentially like scroll down, scroll up, whatever, and you can kind of review this, and you can then edit it in Gamma in case you're not happy. So you can just click on edit in Gamma over here. It's going to give the external link. You can click on open link over here, and then it's going to take you directly to Gamma, where you'll be able to essentially see your PowerPoint presentation just like that. You can edit it, you can do whatever you want. Now, if you actually want to correct anything, change it, or add slides, stuff like that, you can always tell Claude to do that. I'm going to do like add one more like slide to it. For example, I'm going to press enter and it's going to do just that. It's basically going to kind of go ahead and edit, as you can see here. There we go. So it says that the generation ID isn't directly editable, so it's going to just recreate, but still you get the point. It's actually going to create it again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.